Hello developers, today we will try to understand CSS variables. CSS variables allows us to store reusable values that can be referenced throughout our style sheet. How do we create one variable? So let's say here we have root. So variables should declare starts with a double hyphen along with the color name. Let's say we define color name for our and for secondary color. So this is green actually. And we not only the color, so all variables we can save. Let's say for font size 24 pixel, we define CSS variables. How can we access it in the CSS definition? So you have to write var one function, so you have to use the var function. So inside that you have to give the variable name, so var font size, so because font size, then for primary color, let's say for var, and same time we have a h1 tag. So here so for h1 we assign secondary color, and for button we can assign the secondary color. Okay, so primary color, so for in body we assign the primary color blue. That's why the by default for paragraph tag assigned with the blue. So we here we added the secondary color for h1 tag and here. And another one question is, can we able to update this value using JavaScript? Yes, we can able to apply change the variable value using JavaScript, that we can see. So let's see here, first we try to get the button. So here button we had a class button. So first we try to get the button and add a click event listener, and document element style set property. So the set property you have to give secondary color red. Okay, so we assign this. So when I click this, so it will change. Using this object style.set property, you can change any variable, CSS variable on the fly, whatever you want. So that value will be re-render and reassign for all the CSS wherever use this prop values. So it will change everywhere. So only one place change, so all the colors will be changed. So let's say you are introducing dark and light mode, you can change it using this also, but there are other ways, but you can using JavaScript also. So why we are using root here? When a CSS variable created in the root property, this will be available throughout all the web pages. Okay, everywhere, it's like global variable. Okay, so for all the web page you can access this. Let's say here here we have one div container. So there is a global variable concept and it's a local scope variable. Let's say container, you are creating one variables. So inside the p paragraph tag you can use it. So here also, so this primary color is not actually affecting this one, so because this will be the local variable. When you define a variable in the root, it will act like a global variable, you can access anywhere. So this primary color will be, so if you are defining any CSS variable inside any special classes or thing, so that color is only available to their children alone, not the other descendant or siblings or things. So only the children's only you can able to access it. This is what the global variable and local scope variable. So to create variables you have to use double hyphen variable name and the values, whatever you can add, and for using you have to use var of the argument, you have to give the variable name. Programmatically you can change the variable value also. Okay, hope this video helpful, and please leave us comment if you have any suggestion to improve my video, and thank you.